to our room.
Habang nag-swimming kayo. Ako.
Dito. So this is the elevator of Okada. Say hi.
We're here in Okada. Advanced birthday.
Ito. Advantage of this is look at the tablet. Look, it's an iPad. So in the iPad you can control the temperature of the aircon. Wait. Room controls, aircon. You can control up to 18 degrees. Television. We can open the TV. Let's take a familiar channel. Okay, we're gonna go to GMA 7.
May ballpen ka ka, lagi.
And then where it's GMA,
Ballpen.
then we can control the entertainment by YouTube. So I'm gonna press Cathleen Zaya, my channel. Zaya. Don't forget to subscribe.
Oh.
Let's say my New Year celebration. See, it's loading with my with my vlog.
Register ngayon.
So, and then the volume, let's control it.
Kaya nga.
So after that, you can also have the food,
Pag pumunta na swimming pool,
private dining, the restaurants, their services. You can have an assistant, a gift boutique, and then the spa. And the messages.
Hindi, siya lang pwede mag-swimming.
So, the room controls,
Kasi yung lalaki lang naka-register.
the foyer,
Tawagan mo nga yung ano.
the foyer there.
Namin eh.
So that's the foyer, the closet. Please. And then let's try to shut this down. Yeah, there you go. And then the lights, room controls, the lights. Let's turn off everything. It's turn off everything. Closet and foyer. It's already closed. Everything is closed. Everything is closed. All the lights are closed. Once I open it, there you go. Okay, everything is. And at night, everything is closed. Enjoy this Okada Manila stay. Look at this. Look at the, what you call this? The jacuzzi. Jacuzzi. That's the jacuzzi. So, if you ask this, how many times I went to Okada? So, I went to Okada already 4 times. I already checked in. First one is for my birthday last July 2016. I'm not a vlogger yet. Next is the June 2017. And then, oh wait, not June, with my Lolo in the father side and Lola. Then we see the fountain. That's what those were the days that the fountain was active. So next is last year, the New Year celebration here in Manila, Okada Manila. And 4th time is here in the, what you call this, in our staycation. Super nice. Up in the bathtub with the jacuzzi. Oh, mapupuno. Eating is chicken and chicken joy. Bro, it's so awesome. Here in Okada Manila. I'm in Okada. Okada. Mommy, what's there?
Sinigang na tangige.
And the chairs are beautiful. Also the it's so nice.
Jollibee, Super Meal A.
Mommy.
Ada, this is my advanced birthday.
Yeah, Daddy there.
Hindi na akong gagasto sa Mart. Hi! I'm in Okada Hotel. This is jacuzzi. And it's my birthday advance from here now to March 16. Okay.
Hello guys, so I'm now here in the, what you call this? In the water bathtub. So I'm gonna drop down here, and 1, 2, 3, go, hot, yun, hot. Watch this, look at here. Look at in this Okada. I'm gonna press this. This jacuzzi, and don't forget the shower gel. Here, and I'm gonna put the shower gel. Let's say like this. Yeah. Here. There you go. And wow, I like the jacuzzi here. It's so nice here in the jacuzzi and lovely. And I like it here because it's clean and new. The jacuzzi is clean. So hello guys, we're going to swim in the swimming pool of Okada Manila. So join me to swim in Okada. Now here in the Okada Manila. We're going to the pool area. So let's go. Golf cart. Let's ride. And all this I'm here now in the Okada Manila. As you can see the tower in my back. This is the Okada Manila, guys. And then that's the tower building of Okada Manila. And then here is the pool area. As you can see, very cold. Very cold. Super cold talaga, guys. Super cold. It's very, very cold. Now in the pool, full of chairs and relaxation. Hi, bye Okada. Check it out. The Anello, the Moresi, the optical shop here, and before there's Bali here. There's what you call this, Bali. The branded, so it's closed because due to the pandemic. So that's it, guys.